can I pre-stock inventory in the STFULFILL warehouse to speed up fulfillment? In this part, we will show you how to pre-stock inventory in the STFULFILL warehouse to help speed up fulfillment. By default, STFULFILL usually purchases products from the factory after receiving your order. In many cases, suppliers need 1 to 3 days to deliver goods to the STFULFILL warehouse. This may cause some fulfillment delays, especially when you have a large number of orders. When a supplier needs extra preparation time to reduce processing time, you can purchase inventory in advance and store it in the STFULFILL warehouse. If the product is already in stock at our warehouse, the order can be fulfilled much faster. In most cases, STFULFILL can complete fulfillment on the same day. This is especially useful for products with stable demand, promotional campaigns, or peak season order volume. Next, we will show you how to purchase inventory in advance and store it in the STFULFILL warehouse. First, find the products you want to pre-stock. Go to the products page. Choose the products you need. On the product detail page, you will see several action buttons on the right side. Click the bulk order button. This will start the bulk purchase process for this product. After entering the bulk order process, you will first see the brand your products page. If you don't need to adjust the product's branding or packaging option at this step, click Next to continue. Next, you will enter the destination selection page. Here, you need to choose where you want to ship and store the goods. To pre-stock inventory in the STFULFILL warehouse, select Dongguan Warehouse 1. Currently, only Dongguan Warehouse 1 is available for selection in the system. STFULFILL may open more warehouse options in the future. After selecting the warehouse, click Next. Now you will enter the recap page. On this page, enter the quantity you want to purchase and pre-stock. Please check the product's information, warehouse destination, product's price, estimated total, and the quantity carefully. If all the details are correct, click Buy Now in the bottom of right corner. After completing this step, you will be redirected to the Orders page under the Bulk Order tab. Find the corresponding bulk order. Click Pay on the right side to complete the purchase. Once the bulk order is paid, STFULFILL will immediately process the purchase and prepare the inventory to be stored in the selected warehouse. After the goods arrive at the stock in the STFULFILL warehouse, your future orders can be fulfilled faster because the supplier's delivery time has already been reduced. By the way, you can check the real-time remaining inventory quantity for each product in My Inventory section on the left. Anyway, pre-stocking is recommended if you sell products with stable demand. It is also useful if you want to reduce supplier lead time and speed up delivery. If you are running promotions or expanding peak season order volume, pre-stocking can help make fulfillment more stable. It also improves the consistency of your order processing performance. However, if you are not sure how much inventory to pre-store, we recommend contacting your dedicated account manager for planning support. Your account manager can help you evaluate products' demand, order volume, and a suitable pre-stock quantity. If you encounter any issues during the process, return to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, you can find your dedicated account manager's contact information. We recommend contacting your account manager via WhatsApp for faster support. You can also contact them by email if needed. To summarize, pre-stocking inventory means purchasing products in advance and storing them in the STFULFILL warehouse. This can help reduce supplier delivery time, speed up fulfillment, and improve processing stability for products with steady demand. To pre-stock inventory, open the products detail page, click bulk order, continue to the next step, select the STFULFILL warehouse, enter the purchase quantity, click buy now, and then pay for the bulk order under the bulk order tab. If you are not sure whether the product is suitable for pre-stocking, please contact your dedicated STFULFILL account manager for support. Thank you for watching.